Today we're in Anthem Highlands, checking out our latest listing, 2907 Rothsay Avenue. Anthem Highlands is in Henderson, pretty deep into the south side, southeast part of Las Vegas. Separate city being Henderson and all. The list price for this property is $425,000. It's a little over 1650 square footage, so that's 1,650 square footage. You can see we've got a big open floor plan here. The great room type setup. When you come in the front entryway here, the stairs are to your left, but the great room, we've got some updated flooring that's been done to this house. This was built in 2004, so there are some original features while some has been upgraded. Here in the kitchen, we've got the decent sized kitchen island that they're using for a breakfast bar, also with the stools that you can see there. And again, you see there's a good flow with the great room. The kitchen connects with the living space and the dining, so it's great for entertaining and making sure everyone's included if you have guests over. And a separate dining area fits a pretty good sized table there. And if we peek just around the corner here, we do have a laundry room, so you've got your washer dryer set up and a little shelf. And on this side's the powder room. We've got the half bathroom for all the guests and everybody that's on the first floor to use. And peeking inside the garage, they did finish the floor with a floor coating. We've got the water heater. We've got some extra storage shelves up top. In Las Vegas and Henderson, we don't have a whole lot of basements, so storage is sometimes an issue for people that are used to having basements, but the storage racks inside the garage are a popular option. And heading back inside, just another view of the great room setup as you come in through the garage. And of course, this one's got the ceiling fan in the main family room. Helps keep the temperatures and airflow comfortable during these hot summers. And peeking outside here, so we've got a nice low maintenance desert landscaping backyard. So not super big, but enough space that you can do a few things. They've got the paver patio. You get a little bit of sun, enough space for a barbecue, enough space for a little dining area. You see they've got a little doggy door there also. So yeah, big open floor plan. Sometimes the square footage can be deceptive. If it's a big open floor plan, you don't need a whole lot of square footage to make you feel like you've got space. So we'll head upstairs here and check out the 3 bedrooms and 2 bath on the second floor. So the master bedroom is over this way. We've got a bathroom there. We've got a little miniature loft, which works well for an office space, as you can see, and 2 more bedrooms. So let's check out the master bedroom. So this is on the back of the house, also separate than the other 2, so that's sometimes a benefit as far as extra privacy, just having a buffer zone. And we've got the ceiling fan there, of course. Again, trying to keep the rooms comfortable. And peeking into the master bathroom here, we've got a separate tub and shower. We've got dual sinks and a walk-in closet along with the powder room for the toilet. We got a decent sized closet, some extra shelving. And back into the bedroom, and let's check out some of these other rooms. So the secondary bathroom, we've got 1 sink and a tub shower combo. We'll call this bedroom 2. It's got a ceiling fan as well. Pretty standard size closet. You can see the bedrooms have carpet as far as the flooring goes, where this wood laminate is throughout most of the house. And then there's some tile in the bathroom areas. And we'll say this is bedroom 3, again with a ceiling fan and light. And these 2 bedrooms are towards the front of the house, again a pretty standard size closet And that's going to conclude our tour. So if you like what you see or are interested in finding out more about this property, again, we're listed at $425,000. The square footage is 1,666 square feet. Built in 2004 in Anthem Highlands near Inspirada and Sun City Anthem. We are currently the lowest price home in the neighborhood. And yeah, it's a great spot to call home. Lots of community parks, great views of the mountains. And you can contact us using all this information that you see in front of you right now. And thank you for stopping by.